Let's conquer 2,224 curves, together. We roll out from Chiang Mai, chill roads at first, but once we hit Route 1095, game on. Curves come fast, one after another, up the mountain, down the mountain of non-stop action. But man, the views, insane. We hit cafes, scenic stops, checkpoint at Kun Mae Ya, and glide into Pai, cutest town in the hills. From there, it gets wild again. Curves tighten, altitude rises. We stop at Q Lum Viewpoint, snap 360-degree epic shots, then cruise down to Pang Mapa town. Final stretch? One last climb to Luk Kalam. Killer views, hill tribe crafts, and yep, more curves. Until finally, boom! Mae Hong Son. And don't forget, grab your certificate for 2,224 Curves Conqueror from the Chamber of Commerce. You earned it, Road Warrior.